our next door neighbors worked with Guardian, and we kind of saw the whole process and the new roof being put on, and it was looked like a really fantastic job, and our neighbors were very, very happy with the outcome of the project. And so they actually recommended us to Guardian. We just moved into our home recently, thought it was time to get the roof looked at. And so Josh from Guardian came over. He did a really fantastic job, very thorough inspection of the roof, and was very kind and straightforward and educational, explaining all of the different options related to how we can have our roof redone. And so we're in the process now of getting the project scheduled, but heard great things and saw great things from our neighbors. And so we're very excited to move forward with Guardian. So yeah, cannot recommend Josh enough from Guardian. Guardian overall, really great to work with. And we're looking forward to moving forward with the project and being able to get it done soon.